What up, what up, what up, what up? We back. We back with another. We back with another. So finally, the 2007 Jeep Compass Sport with the 2.4 four-cylinder engine with a CVT transmission, 229,555 miles as I speak. It's ready for sale. It's gonna go for cheap. I put a gang of money into the front suspension. There is still a slight suspension noise over bumps. We replaced front struts, shocks, sway bar linkages, tie rods, tie rod ends, tie rod bushings, everything. And it's still a slight little suspension noise. However, it rides very smooth. It rides very smooth. But since it does have the little slight noise, gonna sell a little bit cheaper than expected. I was probably gonna do it at $4,000, but it's gonna be about $3,500 plus your tax tag and title, of course. But anyway, I'm driving it now as we speak. As you can see, no check engine lights on. I am braking. The wheel's not shaking. I'm accelerating. It's that CVT right there. That's constant velocity transmission. We're driving. I'm starting this one off a little different. I'm going to drive because I got an appointment to show this thing in about 20 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and drive. And then going to take my pictures, to be honest with you. Do a little walk around, take my pictures. And then I'm going to show this thing. And if they purchase it, then awesome. If they don't, then I'm going to put my little markings on it and list it up for sale this afternoon. So we got it. Everything works. Radio works. I remember my thermometer, so hopefully the battery isn't dead because I didn't bother to check that part. What else? It's got good tires on it. They kind of got like an aggressive look. You'll see when I do the walk around. The walk around will be after this. You'll see when I do the walk around, it's got some aggressive tire look on it. But they got plenty of tread. What else? What else? I need to stop saying This is a great A to B. It's got a fresh oil change on it. If you see in one of the past videos about the light bar, so this one, we wired in a switch for the light bar right here. So you see it's blue right now, so those lights are actually on. And then it's off right there. So we just wired in a switch with a fuse, make it nice and safe. We don't do no Congo engineering over around here, so we make sure things are done properly. So we did that. The seats are still somewhat dirty. I tried to clean them up real quick, but it was at the shop a little longer than I expected. So, you don't have a stop sign, sweetheart. Why are you stopping? Okay. Anyway, it did take a little longer than expected. So, I tried to clean them up real quick, but it really does need a professional's touch. And I'm not a professional. I'm a car dealer. I'm not a professional detailer. So, get your professional detailer out, and I'm sure he can get the stains out of the seats. It's a little bit of dog hair in here. However, it runs and drives good, man. And that's what counts, man. It's not how pretty it is. Does it do its job? And this thing does its job. That's all that matters. It does its job. So I'm gonna get out. Cause what the youngest be saying, y'all be thinking we be out here capping, right? Is that it? I don't even use that terminology, but cap, right? Yeah, so we ain't doing the cap stuff. All right? We ain't doing that. So I'm out the car. I'm out the Jeep, excuse me. So as you can see now, there we go. 2007 Jeep Compass. Feels aggressive looking tread on the tire. Actually looks pretty cool on there. Does need a little paint work on the hood. Go get you that Mako $200 special. That's that light bar we spoke of. Let me turn that light on and then you can see. That's the light bar. We got it on the switch with the inline fuse. These are the tires again. Does need some paint correction on the roof also. There's some prior body damage right here that somebody repaired, but they didn't do too great a job. Oh, y'all see that? Go back and look at the other video. Didn't have no door handle. Look what we got now. See, that's why some other stuff can't be fixed, because you got to fix the stuff that actually matters, man. You fix the stuff that actually matters. That's how I help keep the cost down, because I just fix the stuff that actually matters. None of that stuff matters. All you really care about is it's going to get you where you need to go. We got the 12 volt here. Currently charging my phone. Got my temperature gauge. Got the little fold up thing. I don't know, we used to put phones in there or what? I don't know. Don't ask me. You let me know. Don't ask me. I don't know. Got that. Here we go. Got your little cubby over here. Glove box right there. Put your stuff in there. We'll go around to the back. Tail light does have a little crack on it, but that stops nothing from working. Remember before, shocks didn't work. I replaced both shocks. Both shocks on the lift gate. This is plastic back here, so you put your dog back there, you put your knickknacks back there without worrying about having to damage anything. And that closes back like such. Kind of hard to do for me with one hand, but like I said, replace the shocks. Again, the things that matter. Replace the stuff that matters. It's the driver's side rear. You got your power windows, you got your radio, cruise control, you know, rear wiper blades, all that other good stuff. Replace the light switch. So this light switch is brand new. Here's that button again. You see it light up blue? Awesome. So now we're gonna go out here and see this light bar. I don't know if the camera picking that up, but that light bar is on. Definitely shining in my face. Here we go back in. See that blue light? This thing lights up now. All right, you got your ESP. That's for your traction control. So traction control on and traction control off. You got your gauges. Those things work. It's kind of chilly out here. Let's see if the AC actually gonna kick in. Now the ambient temperature has to be at certain degrees for your AC to actually turn on. So we're gonna put it on full blast. And we're gonna see what comes out. Right now it's at 56. Now it is cool out here, so I don't know. It may need to be charged, may not. It's kind of hard to tell when when it's cold outside. But since it's cold outside, what you really need to be concerned yourself with is some goddamn heat. Now let's check the heat. Y'all see, I'm not fiddle-diddling nothing. So I'm gonna hold it. Come on now. There we go. 96, 100, 103. 04, 05, 06, 07, 110, 112, 15, 16, 17, 18, 120, 127, 28, 29, 130, 130. So if 130 ain't warm enough for you in the winter, something wrong with you. You need to get some hot tea, some cocoa or something, because we on 130. On level 2, full blast on the heat. That's it. No recirculatory air. That's what this is for. I can turn that on. You see it, your lights up orange. Let's see where it's at now. 132, 34. So if that ain't warm enough for you, man, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know. You tell me what's gonna be warm enough. I don't know. 130 ain't warm enough for you in the winter. I don't know what to tell you, but I know what y'all more concerned about. Okay, Chris, the heat works. That's great. That's freaking awesome. Show me the goddamn engine. So here we go. Let me show you the doggone engine. Make sure we ain't got no rattle thunderclap. Ah. Here we go. Here's the engine. 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, great on gas. As you see, not lying about the struts. All that nice shiny black stuff. Lower controller arms. Ball bearing, ball joints, all that. We did all that, but it's still a slight little A little knock on the right side. I don't know what it is. I mean, you can't really feel it, but you can hear it. I don't know what it is, so I'll take $500 off. Because I don't know what it is. So I'll take $500 off because I don't know. And I'm not willing to invest more time and effort and money to put into it because it runs and it drives. I drove it over here. It's running now. Heat works, AC works, hatches up, doors open, no check engine lights. I don't know what more you want. What much more do you want? It's a cute little car, man. Get it for your daughter or run around town in it. I don't care. But let me get my pictures, man. I'm gonna stop playing with y'all. Let me get my pictures in. I don't know what this is. It ain't mine. Anyway, let me get the pictures in. And we'll be back. In fact, we ain't gonna be back. Because I just did the walk around. And I just did the test drive. And I showed y'all everything. Showed y'all the light bar. I showed y'all the tailgate shots. I showed y'all the struts. I didn't show you the lower ball joints because I'm not crawling up under there. Oh, but what I am gonna do, okay, I used to do this. I stopped doing it. I don't know why. Ain't no leaks. Ain't no leaks. Ain't no leaks up under there. Ain't no leaks up under there. But please like, comment, subscribe, follow us on Instagram, follow us here on YouTube, smash that like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell. So when the new cars come out, this is pretty much where they go first. Here, TikTok and Instagram is where they go. TikTok, McMath_autos. Instagram, McMath Autos. Facebook, McMath Autos. So it's the same across the board. If you know how to spell, you know how to do the math, we do the math, save your ass some cash. All right? Peace.